I'm going to bring you along on a journey with me through what is probably the best digital marketing full course that you'll find on the internet for just $5, okay? And it is set up in the form of a 5-day challenge. So there are 5 days left in 2024, okay? So I would highly encourage you to join me on this challenge, right? You can get access to it, the course. It's the first link in the description below this video, and basically try to set yourself up for financial success in 2025, right? Like use these 5 days to set everything up so much so that you can hit the ground running once 2025 comes around. It's what I'm doing. I purchased the course myself. I'm going to show you the inside so you have an idea of what it looks like and what to expect. Okay, but this is basically going to be the basis, the foundation of pretty much my activities throughout 2025 in an effort to build that foundation that I need for financial independence. Now, for those of you who are new here, if you're not aware, because those of you who've been around, you know what I'm all about on this channel. But if you're new here, my name is Christian. Welcome to the channel. And what I'm basically doing here is essentially documenting my journey to financial independence, right? And in our case, financial independence in simple terms is just basically trying to get to that point where we're generating enough in passive income to cover our living expenses. Now, building an online business and generating income from it, right? Like a profitable online business is one of the main vehicles I've decided to use to help me get there. All right. And this particular course is the foundation of a lot of the activities that, that I'm going to be, pursuing, or in any endeavor that I have online. Right. So if your finances or having an extra side hustle or getting something going has always been something that you wanted to do, or you've just needed a way to make some extra money, I would highly encourage you to get started with this. I mean, it's just $5, okay? And it will give you a pretty decent idea of everything that's going on, everything that's involved, and you will know whether or not this is something you want to pursue or not. But I mean, why wouldn't you? Like digital, if you're not aware, making money online, specifically through digital, selling digital products online, right? Using digital marketing to sell digital products is huge right now. Okay. If you missed out on any of the previous, previous, chances that have come and gone to make money, right? Whether it was like Bitcoin or the dot-com boom, right? Digital marketing is one of the hot things right now, specifically selling digital products, okay? So I would highly encourage you to get on board with this, especially given the fact that this is not something that has to, that has to take away from what you're already doing. It's something that you can do on the side, right? To add to whatever you're already doing, and it has the potential to replace whatever is your current, main source of income, right? That's something that you can actually do, right? It is possible. I haven't done it personally, right? I haven't done it personally, but I know of people who have, right? Well, take that back. I shouldn't say that I haven't done it personally, because I mean, this is my main source of income right now. But it's not necessarily, I guess the reason I'm saying that is because I'm nowhere near generating the kind of income that I want to be generating, or that I need to be generating in order to achieve the goals that I have, right? Okay. So maybe I should rephrase that. But anyway, that's that. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we're going to be getting into so you have an idea. Like I mentioned, if you want to get started with this, there's going to be that first link in the description below this video. And here are the different things that we will be looking at on the different days, right? They split it up so that you're not necessarily overwhelmed, right? But if you have time, then of course, ideally you can just blow through the entire thing as quickly as you can, or as quickly as you want to, all right? I suppose as far as they'll allow, all right? So on day one, we're basically going to be learning about, there'll be an introduction to funnels, right? Picking a niche, focus, what you need to get started. And bear in mind, if there's anything I'm talking about here that you don't understand, it will be covered in detail inside that, inside the 5 day challenge, essentially, right? So let's see, it says day one, you're going to learn, right? This is your introduction to digital marketing, and basically you're going to learn about the core four models, I guess, understand the 4 core areas of digital marketing that give you options for your business. Okay. On day 2, we're going to launch. Okay. Already. All right. So what you'll learn is faceless marketing for beginners. This is a huge thing because there's a lot of people who want to do online business, but they don't necessarily want to get on camera. So if you are one of those people that is camera shy, you don't want to get on the internet and all that, this is for you. Okay. There are ways to go ahead and there are ways to do marketing, where you can promote stuff, right? Where you don't necessarily have to have your face on camera, because a lot of people have the false impression or false belief that you have to be the face of everything that you're doing in order to generate an income online. So this is where you'll learn how to do it without having your face on camera, right? And you'll see real stories of faceless success strategies. Okay. All right, so on this day, we focus on what it takes to get launched, introduce you to content creation and how to get started with faceless marketing tactics. Okay, on day 3, we'll learn. It's jam-packed, full masterclass of how to lead with confidence as you create content and a personal brand. Okay, so you'll learn 50 free hooks. Create a content strategy, implement what you learn immediately. By the way, like I said, I don't want this video to be too long. I don't want to spend too much time explaining exactly all the stuff. Like if you go through the training, you will learn. I'm pretty sure they will cover all these things for you, right? Day 4, entrepreneur mindset. This is everyone's favorite day. Dave, I guess, is the name of the guy who does the training inside. Covers entrepreneurial dynamics. You'll understand the mindset and dynamics of what it takes to be a successful entrepreneur. Overcoming limiting beliefs, why mindset is key, and a book recommendation that we love. All right. So there's a book. If you've been on my channel before, you'll know I've mentioned that book before, but I will be going over it again. It's one that I've started reading. All right. And, you'll see all about it once we get to that day. By the way, I will be creating a playlist and essentially a video each day, essentially going over kind of like a review of what I saw on that particular day of the video of the challenge, right? And what I've learned and all that type of stuff, right? So and then day 5, craft your plan. Now, by the way, in case you're wondering, this is, it is my first time going through this particular challenge, but I've been through similar ones in the past that have been longer, so I have a general idea of how things are going to be here. Okay. So in case you're wondering, if I'm doing this for the first time, I am doing this particular challenge for the first time, but I have been through some previous ones made by the same company, right? That have been longer, so I guess they've kind of condensed it down to these 5 days. So I have a general idea of what we're going to be doing. All right, and then lastly on day 5, craft your plan. Dave walks you through putting together a comprehensive business plan class so you can continue to take focused, intentional action with your online business. What you'll learn is have a completed business plan to use as your guide. Learn about additional options to further your education and expertise. Okay, so that is essentially it in a nutshell. Let me go ahead and show you the inside of the course. Like I said, I have purchased it myself. So here is the inside of the platform. Okay, all the days are already unlocked. Okay, because I've already, I haven't been through all of them, but like I said, because I've had previous access to some older, longer challenges that they've had. I've spoken to the advisors that you get, right, and they've gone ahead and unlocked everything for me. Okay, and you'll be able to have the same thing done for you as well once you get inside, right, and you start going through the challenge. All right, so that is basically it for this video. Tomorrow I will cover, I guess I'll create another video basically reviewing everything that that I learned from day 1. Okay, and then the next day I'll have another video covering day 2 and another video covering day 3. All right, and just giving you my review and perception, or you know, in my impressions of everything that I'm going through. Okay, thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch. Don't forget, if you would like to get access to this for yourself, first link in the description below this video, and I will catch you in my next video. Ciao.